Hey girl, welcome back to another nail tutorial. This one is sparkly and blingy and cute. Alright, so I've already prepped my nails. You guys can watch my nail prep video to see how I did that. And I went ahead and applied my tips and blended them into the natural nail. I'll have these tips linked in the description box below. Of course, y'all know I'm going to be using my Mia Secret products. These are the same products I always use. Also going to be using the Valentino glitter in the number 135. It will be in the description box as well. And with these nails, I decided to do them a little on the thinner side because I don't like those thick, chunky clunkers. So here you'll see me applying a thin layer of clear. I'm going to do that on all of the nails. And then I'm going to go in with the glitter acrylic because I'm really going to build my apex when I do my encapsulation on the glitter. And I forgot to mention that I am using the Alpha Kolinsky brush in the number 10, and then I'm going to use the number 7 Kolinsky when I do the glitter acrylic application. Just keep in mind that when you're doing this first layer of clear acrylic, that you want to keep it on the thinner side because it's just going to be your base layer. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the nails and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the nails are looking like after I've done the first layer of clear acrylic. So they look really clean, really neat. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with my glitter. It's kind of like a peachy, shimmery, pinky. You'll see it. It's really, really cute. It got some iridescence in it. It's linked below. And I'm going to make this layer a little bit thicker because it is a chunkier glitter. So I'll make this one thicker to fill in any dips or whatever I may have had in my clear application. But remember, the apex and the final top coat, not top coat, but the final layer of clear is going to really give me my shape. Alright, so these nails have been capped already, so I'm going to go ahead and start filing them. Y'all already know what file I use. It's going to be my Beauty Secrets 100-180 dual file. This is my girl, y'all. I get this from Sally Beauty, and I keep a lot of them, and they are washable. So when I'm filing, I want to go on the side walls, hold my file at an angle so that I can keep my shape. And I'm also going to go across the tip because these are more like a stiletto-y coffin shape. I don't want nothing extremely pointy. And I am also going to do the under file on the nail as well. Okay, so this is what we have after the nails have been filed and reshaped. They just look so clean, so neat, so pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and start the jewel application. I almost said diamond or glitter, but I'm going to start the jewel application. These little gems come from Amazon. I'll link them below if they are still available. And then I also have some of these chunky ones. I think I got these from a website or either Amazon. If I can find it, I'll link it below. And I don't do anything fancy. I just used regular nail glue to get my gems on, but I do when I do my top coat, I do top coat the entire nail because I also like to use some of that top coat to fill in between those gems so nothing is getting in there like dust or food or whatever. Alright, so I'm going to use this D&D No Wipe Gel Top Coat, and I just love this part because it really just brings your design or your idea to life, really makes it pop and look so good. This is and then y'all, if you notice, I did bring the gems down a little lower to the free edge of the nail because it just looked better to me. It was a little too high up. But anyway, this is my Avioplex by OPI, my cuticle oil, and y'all, she's done, honey. Just look how good these nails finna look. Y'all gonna be so impressed. So these are the nails. They are so freaking fire to me. These are wedding appropriate for me, at least. These are birthday appropriate. These nails are just so bomb, so fire. I have my nail playlist in the top of this video somewhere. Don't forget to click on that so you can see my other nail videos. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.